Namaste my dear students. I believe that you are all eagerly awaiting for my session. Okay, come on, let's begin our today's session with an activity.
Here we have 4 cups. In each cup, 4 chalk pieces are there. Now, can you tell me how many chalk pieces are there altogether? How will you multiply this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 cups. In each cup, 4 chalk pieces. So, 4 into 4, 16. So, totally there are 16 chalk pieces. Now, again, I am having 4 cups. But 0 chalk pieces are there. That is, no chalk pieces in these 4 cups. Now can you tell me how many chalk pieces are there altogether? 4 into 0, because 0 represents chalk piece. No chalk piece is there, so I am just saying 0. So 4 into 0, 0, because I just asked how many chalk pieces are there. No chalk piece is there. From this we can conclude that any number multiplied by 0 gives you 0. Is that clear?
So today we are going to see special cases of 0. Exercise 5. The question is 347 into 802. So how to do this? 347 into 802. So, in the same way we are going to multiply, starting from the ones place. Here we have 2. So, multiply with 2. 7 2s are 14. 1 carried over. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 3 2s are 6. Now ones place is over. Moving on to the tens place. What we have here? 0. So we have studied that any number multiplied by 0 gives you 0. So in the ones place I am just putting asterisks. Okay. Now start multiply. 347 into 0. 7 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. Okay. Now moving on to the hundreds place. So you need to add 2 asterisks in the ones place and in the tens place. Okay. Now multiply 347 into 8. 7 8s are 56. So 5 carried over. 8 4s are 32 plus 5. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So 7 and then 3 carried over. 3 8s are 24 plus 3 is 27. Now add all these numbers. 4, it is nothing but 0 ma. Okay, so 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 1, 8. So 7, 2. So this is the answer. 2,78,294. Okay, look at the question. Mana's school fee is 950 per month. What is the fee for 10 years? So children, look at the question carefully. It is given that school fee is 950 rupees per month. That is, for 1 month it is 950. We need to find it for 10 years. So first we need to find it for 1 year and then after that we can find it for 10 years. Okay. Okay, children, can you see me? How many months are there in 1 year? 1 year is equal to how many months? Yes, very good. 12 months. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we have written that Mana's school fee for 1 month, which is given as rupees 950. So first, as I said, we need to find it for 1 year, that is equal to 12 months. So Mana's school fee for 12 months is nothing but 950 rupees 950 into 12. So let us find. So 0 2s are 0, 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19. So I am moving on to the tens place. So we need to add 0 or asterisks, whatever we can write here. So now 0 1s are 0, 5 1s are 5, 9 1s are 9. Now add 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 5 is 14, then 11. So the answer is rupees 11,400 for how many months, ma? 12 months, which is equal to 1 year. So we need to find it for 10 years. So we have find that for 1 year it is 11,400. So man school fee for 10 years. So 11,400 into 10. So children, you have already learned in the previous classes that when you multiply by 10, 100 or 1000, what you need to do? Yes, you have to multiply with 1 and at the end you have to add those number of zeros in the answer. In the same way we are going to do now. So I am going to multiply with 10. So only 1 0 is there. So leave that. Now 11,400 into 1. So when you multiply with 1, you will be getting the same number. So 11,400. So here I have 1 0. So I am adding 1 0 at the end of the answer. So my answer is 1 lakh rupees 14,000 for 10 years. Is that clear, children? A book has 264 pages. How many pages do 110 such books have? So what is given in the question? A book means one book. So in one book we have 264 pages. So we need to find how many pages are there in the 110 books. Okay. So we have written that number of pages in one book, which is given in the question, that is 264 pages. Number of pages in 110 books, that is 264 into 110. Now we are going to multiply 264 into 110. So in the ones place we have 0. As we all already know that any number multiplied by 0 gives 0 only. 4 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. So to avoid confusion only, I am using this symbol, ma. It's up to you. You can add 0 also here. Now moving on to the tens place, I have 1 here. So 4 ones are 4, 6 ones are 6, 2 ones are 2. Now this is over. Then moving on to the hundreds place. So in the ones and tens place I am adding this, starting from the hundreds place. 4 ones are 4, 6 ones are 6, 2 ones are 2. Now we need to add all these. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, and then 2. 746 into 123. This is the usual method of multiplying by a 3-digit number. 746 into 123. Starting from the ones place, we have 3. Multiply 746 by 3. 6 3s are 18. 1 carried over. 4 3s are 12. Plus 1, 13. 1 carried over. 7 3s are 21. Plus 1, 22. So I'm moving on to the tens place. Here I have 2. So I have to start from the tens place. 6 2s are 12. 1 carried over. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 7 2s are 14. Then so these two places are over. Now coming on to the hundreds place. So start from the hundreds place. 6 1s are 6. 4 1s are 4. 7 1s are 7. Finally, we need to add all these numbers. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 9 plus 6 is 15. Plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 2 10. 11. Then 8 9. So the answer is 91,758. You have to write all these sums in your classwork, students. Thank you.